Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Act Clever training. In this quick video, I just want to give you a sense of what you can anticipate learning and what I hope you take away from this course when you're just getting started with Act. The first aspect of learning how to use Act is just simply learning how to get around the software. You might wonder, what version of the software do you use? Are you using the desktop version, the installed version? Or maybe you're using the web-based version of Act. I'm going to teach you about basic navigation within Act, navigating your way around a contact and around the screen. And also I'm going to talk to you about creating and working with contacts within Act. Some of the things you'll learn is how to find a contact or a group of contacts. Then once you find them, working with those contacts. I'll also talk to you about something called the My Record, which is all of your contact information in Act. So now that you've found the contact or contacts, how do we work with them? Some of the common things we might want to do is schedule activities, such as a call, a meeting, or a to-do. We also, once you've scheduled those things, you're going to have to look at your schedule and learn how to manage your schedule by looking at either the Act calendar or the task list. So now we've got a sense of how we're working with this. Now we might want to take notes or make notes. And we also want to create records or histories in Act so we can keep track of what we've done so that we know what we need to do in the future. I'll go over all of this. We will also talk about just where are things, where is everything in Act, and also talk about reports. I'll show you the different Act menus and the Act tabs and what you can find in each one of those. I will show you how to simplify Act with shortcuts and other simple tips. And I'll also show you how to find contacts in which you want to create reports so you can share that data and information with others. The last part of this training is really about tips and tricks, so just all little insights and knowledge I've gained and shared with Act users over time. And I want to make you aware of these things so that you can have the greatest experience working with the software. Whether you are an experienced Act user or a beginner, this is an area to come back and visit on occasion down the road. Things that I teach you today might not make sense in these contexts, but down the road you'll look at it a little bit differently. The last part of this is if you need help, don't hesitate to contact me. And I can be reached at 781-728-9777 or Tony@actclever.com. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for partaking in my training. I hope you make the most out of it. I hope you get a lot out of it. And if you have any questions or suggestions for these classes, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so very much.